Lennox HVAC motor blower problems right after buying a house? That's super frustrating, especially when the home warranty is dodging the blame and the filter was already replaced. So, if your blower motor stops working randomly but the AC and heater still kick on, first thing, check the condensate drain line. Sometimes new Lennox units have a drain plug and a cutoff detector, with 2 ports that can get swapped or installed wrong, messing with the motor's function. Also, make sure nothing is blocking the blower motor. It should spin freely, like you said. If the motor isn't getting power but the rest of the system runs, it could totally be the control board causing the issue. Before swapping the board, try manually jumping the terminals that control the fan motor to see if it spins. This can tell you if the motor itself is good. Another quick tip, double check your thermostat fan settings. If it's set to auto, sometimes it won't run unless heating or cooling is active, but on keeps the blower running. Lastly, don't forget to inspect all wiring connections for any loose or corroded spots that can kill power to the motor. If you're not comfortable with electrical stuff, calling a trusted HVAC tech is worth it to avoid frying parts or risking shocks. One of the biggest mistakes with Lennox HVAC blower issues is ignoring the condensate drain setup. If that cutoff sensor is installed wrong, it'll shut off the blower to prevent water damage. Fixing this usually means swapping the drain line back to the correct port with proper elevation. Another common problem is assuming a dirty filter is always the culprit. Even fresh filters can trap dust if airflow is weak, so double check and replace again if needed. The third frequent issue is jumping straight to replacing the control board without testing the motor or fan relay first. This can cost hundreds unnecessarily. To fix this, test the motor manually or with a multimeter and only replace the board if it fails those tests. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with local, reliable contractors who know their stuff and can handle HVAC repairs right. At the same time, it helps contractors find new clients, making it a win-win for everyone trying to get projects done without all the hassle.